You. Henry, who got that for you?
Mine.
Did Jeffrey get you that backpack?
No. I didn't get him that backpack.
What pictures do you have? Where's it going?
These ones. I don't want these. They're the same. I
Well,
want these.
put them on the desk.
Okay.
You need to take your
How did you
watermelon.
just mix them up?
We can do it later.
Oh, they separated
What do you want to do?
it. One of my bicycles.
As soon as I'm done, I'll come out there with you.
Want this last chunk?
Good.
Okay.
You're going to have watermelon
You're
hands.
double fisting watermelon.
Is it my lips
Meow.
or chocolate?
Meow.
It's just chips that smell so good.
I think they're salty chips.
What is Nicole doing?
Susie. That's my god.
Henry?
Trap.
Henry, do you love Katie?
I love you.
Do you love Nicole? Do you love Jeffrey? Do you love Daddy? Do you love Mommy? Do you love Henry?
Are you
What's he
watching?
doing?
Just checking out everyone's plate, see what they have to offer.
I like this
Do
one.
you like muffins?
Yeah, I like that one
You
too.
have to have, hold on, let's
I'm sure. Yeah, he can have it.
got hair.
Oh,
You want a
Albert.
piece?
Me.
Look, this was in Henry's mouth.
Is it yummy? Let me taste a piece too.
Yeah, I remember this.
Real good.
There you are again, looking all handsome and handsome.
Oops, don't fall.
I love all those
Snuggles.
pictures on there.
Is the watermelon yummy yummy?
That is